Have you ever purchased a wig that was too big for your head? Most conventional wigs are mass-produced as one size fits all. It is good to know how to modify the wig circumference so that the wig will fit comfortably. Our video will demonstrate how to reduce and adjust the circumference of your wig. Supplies needed: Styrofoam wig head or canvas block, a comb, scissors, hair clips, ball pins, a precision curved needle, and nylon thread. Let's begin. I will begin the demonstration using a small styrofoam wig head. So we have a half wig here, as you can see. I'm going to flip it inside out and show you the cap construction. We have foundation on the top, a thicker foundation, and then we have the wefts, and then the bottom is elastic with a comb. So turn the wig inside out and place it on the wig head. I am securing the wig head with T-pins, or you can use ball pins, placing one in the center and one on each side of the temple area. I am going to adjust the circumference and tighten it up on this side. Now, if you want to keep the adjustable strap, you can, but I usually cut these away from the wig. I am placing my finger underneath the elastic band to measure just how tight I want the cap to be. Take one of your ball pins and pin the area. Using your scissors, carefully snip the elastic band on each side of the ball pin. Be sure not to cut any of the wig hair. As you can see, a small section was cut away from the wig base. The next step is to attach the two elastic pieces together. I'm using a precision curved needle. This needle is extremely sharp. It is not dull and curved like a regular C needle, and this is nylon thread that I'm using. As I stitch the two pieces together, I will be tucking the wefts inward so that I am able to connect them as well. As you can see, the modified wig section is tight and secure. You can try it on, and if it's still too loose, go to the other side and repeat the same steps. You can remove the adjustable wig strap and tighten this side as well. Remove the pins, flip the wig over, and now you're ready for styling.